So in case you're wondering if the Galaxy A14 has a built-in radio, the short answer is yes. And you can access the radio by going to the Samsung folder and finding the radio application. Now, in case you don't find it there, then you can simply go to the app screen and do a quick search of radio. So just type radio and you should find the radio application. Now, of course, to activate the radio, you need to plug in your 3.5mm headphone jack or something else in that port. Okay, and the port is at the bottom, and all you need to do is plug it in and the radio will start. If it's the first time, it's going to start scanning, so allow it to do its thing. And once it's done, the radio should be up and running. You can turn the radio on and off from here. That's turning off, and that's turning it back on. You can switch the output from the headphones to the speaker by tapping on these three dots in the upper right corner and select play through headphones. And if it's playing through headphones, you can select play through speaker. To scan, simply go ahead and scan. It's going to automatically scan. And that's basically it. The Galaxy A14 has a built-in radio that actually works. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.